Welcome to Wisdovision. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating and transformative topics of our time, artificial intelligence, or AI. But what exactly is AI? How does it work? And how is it changing the way we live, work, and connect? Artificial intelligence, or AI, isn't just a technological marvel, it's a transformative force. But what does it mean for us? Let's decode its essence. AI simulates human intelligence, enabling machines to learn, reason, and adapt. From virtual assistants to predictive healthcare, it reshapes our world with unprecedented precision. AI learns through algorithms and data. Machine learning refines its capabilities, while deep learning mimics the neural pathways of the human brain, unlocking extraordinary potential. AI curates our playlists, drives innovation in medicine, and even predicts market trends. Its reach is vast, transforming how we live, work, and connect. But with power comes responsibility. Issues like data privacy, bias, and ethical usage challenge us to wield AI wisely. AI isn't just shaping our present, it's designing our future. How we guide it will define its legacy. What do you envision for AI? Share your thoughts below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And let us know in the comments, what excites you most about AI?